Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix registry errors on your Windows. So this is for both the Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. So here you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Do not forget this thing that you need to run the command as an administrator because running the command as an administrator, this will work. And if you're just going to merely open the command prompt without running it as an administrator, then that will not work. So make sure of that. Then type here as of C space forward slash scan now. It's as of C space forward slash scan now. Then you have to hit on enter. So this process will scan for and repair any system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So what you can do while the process is going on is to not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And once this goes up to 100%, so I will not just show you the complete 100% process, but in your case you have to wait for that and then simply close out of this window once completed. In the Windows search bar again, type CMD, click on run as administrator. Then here you need to type DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. Now this process will also take some time. This will repair your Windows image. So while the process is still going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And here's a tip. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, then you just have to simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you to continue the process. And once the process has been fully succeeded or completed, then you just need to simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery. Then here you have this option, reset this PC, click on it. So before you can move with this method, make sure to back up everything, all your data, personal files, apps, and settings. Make sure to back up everything. Then you have to click on remove everything. Then you have to click on cloud download. So once you have backed up everything, then you can just simply click on cloud download and your PC will or this will reset your PC. And after that, you just need to sign in with your account and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.